visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So, tignan natin kung anong nangyayari sa paligid. I also want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. No? Take what's only yours and believe in the divine timing, for this is a timeless reading. Kung kailan nyo po ito nakita, no, the message is meant to find you. So simulan na natin with the Seven of Swords and the Full card. Ayan. So dahil sa immaturity, no, I feel like hindi talaga kayo nagkaintindihan dito or sinadyang hindi intindihin, magawa lang ang gusto. So ang ibig ko sabihin dito is dahil sa kagustuhan kong either pumunta sa isang lugar, sumama kay ganito, nagsinungaling ako. Intentional, no? Ibig sabihin, alam kong ayaw mo yung gagawin ko, pero ginawa ko pa rin, nagsinungaling lang ako, pwedeng sa isip ko, that is a white lie. But then again, a lie is a lie, diba? Alam kong kapag lumabas, no, nalaman itong sekreto, I know na pagsisimulan nito ng away, but then again, I took the risk. So ayan, lumabas. So nakita natin dito, may pagka immature, no? We can say that immaturity kasi kung mature yung tao, you know how you're going to prioritize things, no? Plus the fact, if this is not the maturity or immaturity, we may be talking about the age kasi with the Full card. So, but I feel like this is more of how a person handle, no, the relationship. With the 9 of Wands and the 10 of Swords. Wow. Pwede rin itong sabihin natin hindi pa sila totally tapos nung ex. So, pwede rin itong someone might probably be waiting, no? Yung ex nila, waiting. And then, they jump into the relationship right away. So, for them, ayoko na, tapos na. I feel like wala silang closure, no, nung ex. Kaya, nung nagkipagrelasyon siya, the other person is hoping and parang bumalik, oy sandali. So, on your end, si ex yung third party. Sa end naman ni third party, no, nung ex, ikaw yung third party kasi hindi pa sila tapos. So, nagkagulo-gulo na, no? Nagkadaleche-leche na itong situation ninyo because someone here didn't clarify that that the relationship already ended. So someone didn't even have, or someone didn't received a notice, wala na pala tayo, no? And ikaw naman, sabi mo sa akin, wala ka ng single ka, no? Kay person naman, oo, single ako. Kasi yun yung pagkakaintindi niya. So, misunderstanding. with the Page of Wands and the Queen of Cups. Actually, hindi ka naman sabihin mong, yes, nainis ka, pero ngayon nung siguro naghihimas-masan ka, you understand why the ex feels aggravated, no? Agitated kay person. With a Page of Wands, siguro nalaman ito ng ex, no? Either nag-post ka, nakatag siya, or nag-post siya, nakita nitong ex. You're actually gauging, kasi parang sabi mo dito, naiintindihan mo si ex, no? With the Queen of Cups, kung ako man yung nasa sitwasyon, no? Baka I will be in shock as well, no? Probably ganun din ginawa ko, probably mas worse, or probably hinayaan ko na lang. Pero you cannot remove or parang neglect yung pain, no, nito ni ex. Hindi naman damang-dama. You just understand, no, how that person feels. With the Nine of Wands and the Five of Swords. So, nakikita natin, alam mo na somewhat pwedeng umabot sa gulo, sa away. And I feel like you are a person who loves peace, who loves a piece of your mind, no? Kasi with the Nine of Wands, parang sinasabi mo dito, sandali, parang I smell something fishy. I smell na hindi magiging maayos itong flow ng relationship namin. At alam mo na magkakaroon din kayo ng away, no? May mga naaalala akong tao. Actually, may katrabaho kong ganyan. Na, anyway, baka nanonood. Anyway, hindi ko nalang sasabihin. Total, madami naman akong company na pasukan kahit papano. With the Temperance, the Knight of Cups. The Temperance and the Knight of Cups, nakita natin dito na somewhat, no, gusto mo sanang ipaglaban. Well, actually, gusto mo naman yung relationship. Pero, how would you accept a person? Siyempre, sasabihin mo, babae din ako or lalaki din ako, no? Naiintindihan ko, what if, kunyari, magkaroon kami ng away or ng gulo, gawin niya rin yung ginawa niya. So, naiintindihan ko yung nararamdaman ng ex. At ayokong gawin yun sa akin. You're trying to gauge probably kung ano yung best resolution, no, dito sa situation. With the Eight of Swords and the Knight of Wands, I feel like hihingi ka muna ng espasyo. Hihingi ka muna ng space for your own sanity. Hihingi ka muna ng space to actually give your person the time, no, to contemplate ano ba yung pwede niyang gawin. Actually, this is not your problem, no. This is not your problem anymore. Yeah, that is their problem anymore. Just kidding. Kasi wala ka na dito eh. Kumbaga biktima ka, no? With the Knight of Wands, parang sasabihin mo siguro kay person, no, I think that you should fix this issue. Hindi sa hindi kita mahal kita, pero it's much better na I'm going to give you, decide kung ako, no, you need to cut that person off at dapat klaro sa kanya yon. Kung siya, let me know, no? Pero hindi natin pwede ipagpatuloy ito hanggat nandoon, no? So, good job, no? Meron kang prinsipyo, no? So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, share, like, comment, ayan. Kung kayo may katanungan, personal man yan, yung sa inyong tanong ng kapitbahay, tanong ng kaopisina, no? Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo. I'm seeing Libra. I'm seeing Aquarius, Pisces, Sagittarius. I'm seeing Aries. I'm seeing Aquarius. Aries is very dominant, no? Gemini. I'm seeing Cancer. Ayan. And Scorpio. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.